First, just the still images. Image 1, here's my smart art diagram of Maslow's hierarchy of needs. Image 2a, here's my photo with text. And 2b. Principles followed. Discriminability, when I vary light values of adjacent colors. Salience, when I let greatest contrast and other effects go to the most important words. Informative change, when I change character spacing or color of words to represent information. And color psychology, when I use different hues to represent different needs for Maslow's hierarchy of needs based on color psych suggested by Reynolds, and color goes with topic from Koslin, page 111. And principle of perceptual organization, as mentioned on page 107 when I use color to group my concepts. Tips from the reading include: use animation to direct attention from page 117 of the Koslin, use picture and or clip art to introduce the abstract idea and or evoke an emotion from page 184 of Koslin.